Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Have you ever wondered what it takes to become successful and wealthy? Well, look no further because today we'll be discussing some valuable advice from none other than Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and one of the richest men in the world. Jeff Bezos has been one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. He built Amazon from a small online bookstore into the largest online retailer in the world, worth billions of dollars. In a recent interview, Jeff Bezos shared some of his secrets to success, and we're here to share them with you today. So what's the first secret? According to Jeff Bezos, it's all about being customer obsessed. Bezos believes that the most successful companies are those that prioritize their customers above all else. Amazon's mission has always been to be the most customer-centric company on the planet, and this has been a driving force behind their success. One of the ways Bezos has implemented this customer obsession is by insisting that every new product or service offered by Amazon should solve a problem for the customer, or make their lives easier in some way. This has led to innovations such as one-click ordering, same-day delivery, and Amazon Prime, which have all been huge successes. Another way Bezos has demonstrated his customer obsession is by prioritizing customer service. Amazon has always been known for its exceptional customer service, with a focus on making sure customers are happy with their purchases and have a seamless experience. This has led to high levels of customer loyalty and repeat business. Adopting a customer-obsessed approach to business, like Jeff Bezos and Amazon, can be a powerful way to drive growth and build long-term success. Here are some key steps that businesses can take to adopt this approach. 1. Understand your customers. The first step in adopting a customer-obsessed approach is to truly understand your customers' needs, preferences, and pain points. This can be done through market research, customer surveys, and other forms of data analysis. 2. Put the customer first. Once you understand your customers, it's important to prioritize their needs above all else. This means focusing on delivering high-quality products and services, providing exceptional customer service, and continuously improving the customer experience. 3. Listen to feedback. Another key aspect of a customer-obsessed approach is listening to customer feedback and using it to drive continuous improvement. This can involve soliciting feedback through surveys, social media, and other channels, and using that feedback to make improvements to products, services, and the overall customer experience. 4. Embrace innovation. A customer-obsessed approach also requires a willingness to embrace innovation and take risks in pursuit of better serving customers. This means constantly looking for new ways to improve products and services, adopting new technologies, and experimenting with new business models. 5. Foster a customer-centric culture. Finally, a customer-obsessed approach requires a culture that prioritizes the customer above all else. This means ensuring that every employee understands the importance of the customer, and that everyone in the organization is aligned around the goal of delivering exceptional customer experiences. The second secret to success is to be willing to take risks. Bezos has always been known for his willingness to take big risks and make bold moves. He believes that in order to succeed, you have to be willing to take chances and make mistakes along the way. One example of Bezos' risk-taking is the decision to launch Amazon's own line of e-readers, the Kindle, in 2007. At the time, many experts were skeptical of the viability of the e-reader market, but Bezos believed that there was a huge opportunity there. The Kindle turned out to be a massive success, helping to establish Amazon as a major player in the e-book market and paving the way for the company's expansion into other areas, such as digital music and video. Another example of Bezos' willingness to take risks is Amazon's move into cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, AWS. At the time of its launch, many industry experts were skeptical of the potential for cloud computing, but Bezos believed that it had enormous potential. Today, AWS is one of the largest and most profitable divisions of Amazon, and is a key player in the rapidly growing cloud computing market. Adopting a willingness to take risks, like Jeff Bezos, can be a powerful way for businesses to drive growth and innovation. Here are some key steps that businesses can take to adopt this approach. 1. Embrace experimentation. To be willing to take risks, businesses must be open to experimentation and trying new things. This means being willing to test new products, services, and business models, and being open to the possibility of failure. 2. Encourage creativity and innovation. To encourage risk-taking, businesses must create a culture that values creativity and innovation. This can involve giving employees the freedom to explore new ideas, rewarding creativity and innovation, and fostering an environment of collaboration and experimentation. 3. Evaluate risks and rewards. While taking risks is important, businesses must also carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards of any new initiative. This can involve conducting thorough market research, analyzing data, and seeking input from experts in the industry. 4. Start small. To mitigate risks, businesses can start by taking small, calculated risks rather than going all in on a new initiative. This can involve testing a new product in a small market or experimenting with a new service offering on a limited scale before rolling it out more broadly. 5. Learn from failures. Finally, businesses must be willing to learn from their failures and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. This means conducting post-mortems on failed initiatives, analyzing what went wrong, and using that knowledge to make improvements for future endeavors. The third secret to success is to be adaptable and flexible. Bezos has always stressed the importance of being able to adapt to changing circumstances. He believes that the most successful companies are those that can pivot quickly and respond to changing market conditions. One example of Bezos' adaptability is Amazon's expansion into new product categories beyond books. While Amazon started as an online bookstore, Bezos quickly realized that the company could expand into other areas of retail as well. Over time, Amazon has added new product categories such as electronics, clothing, and home goods, and has become a one-stop shop for millions of customers around the world. Another example of Bezos' flexibility is Amazon's approach to innovation. Bezos has always encouraged experimentation and risk-taking within the company, and has been willing to pivot quickly if a particular idea or initiative isn't working out. This approach has allowed Amazon to stay ahead of the curve and continually introduce new products and services that meet the evolving needs of its customers. Adopting an adaptable and flexible approach to business, like Jeff Bezos, can be a powerful way to navigate changing markets, technologies, and customer needs. Here are some key steps that businesses can take to adopt this approach. 1. Embrace change. The first step in adopting an adaptable and flexible approach is to embrace change and recognize that the business environment is constantly evolving. This means being open to new ideas, technologies, and ways of doing things, and being willing to adapt to changing circumstances. 2. Be agile. To be adaptable and flexible, businesses must be agile and able to move quickly in response to changing market conditions. This can involve adopting agile methodologies, such as rapid prototyping and iterative development, and prioritizing speed and flexibility in decision-making. 3. Foster a culture of innovation. An adaptable and flexible approach requires a culture that values innovation and creativity. This can involve encouraging employees to think outside the box, rewarding experimentation and risk-taking, and providing the resources and support needed to pursue new ideas and initiatives. 4. Focus on customer needs. To be adaptable and flexible, businesses must also stay attuned to changing customer needs and preferences. This means listening to customer feedback, monitoring market trends, and being willing to pivot in response to changing customer demands. 5. Continuously learn and improve. Finally, businesses must be committed to continuously learning and improving in order to stay adaptable and flexible. This means being willing to experiment, analyze results, and make adjustments as needed in order to stay ahead of the competition and meet evolving customer needs. And finally, the fourth secret to success is to have a long-term mindset. Bezos has always believed in building for the long term, even if it means sacrificing short-term gains. He believes that the most successful companies are those that are able to think beyond the immediate future and plan for the long term. One example of Bezos' long-term mindset is Amazon's approach to investing in new technologies and initiatives. Rather than focusing solely on immediate profitability, Amazon has always been willing to invest heavily in new areas of innovation that may not pay off for years down the road. This has included investments in areas such as cloud computing, robotics, and artificial intelligence, which have all played a key role in Amazon's growth and success. Another example of Bezos' long-term mindset is his emphasis on customer loyalty and retention. Bezos has always believed that building a loyal customer base is essential to the long-term success of a company, and has prioritized initiatives such as Amazon Prime and exceptional customer service to help drive customer loyalty. Adopting a long-term mindset, like Jeff Bezos, can be a powerful way for businesses to prioritize sustainable growth and achieve long-term success. Here are some key steps that businesses can take to adopt this approach. 1. Define a long-term vision. The first step in adopting a long-term mindset is to define a clear, compelling long-term vision for the business. This can involve setting ambitious goals that extend beyond short-term targets and aligning the entire organization around a common purpose. 2. Focus on customer value. To achieve long-term success, businesses must prioritize creating value for their customers over short-term gains. This means investing in research and development, prioritizing customer feedback and satisfaction, and developing long-term customer relationships. 3. Invest in people and culture. A long-term mindset requires investing in people and building a strong organizational culture. This can involve hiring and developing top talent, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation, and providing a supportive work environment that encourages employees to take risks and pursue new ideas. 4. Balance risk and reward. To achieve long-term success, businesses must balance risk and reward and make strategic investments that position the company for sustainable growth. This means carefully evaluating potential risks and rewards and being willing to invest in long-term initiatives that may not pay off immediately. 5. Measure and track progress. Finally, businesses must measure and track progress towards long-term goals in order to stay on track and make adjustments as needed. This can involve developing key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure progress towards long-term goals and regularly assessing progress against these metrics. So there you have it, folks. 4 valuable secrets to success from one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. If you want to become successful and wealthy like Jeff Bezos, be customer-obsessed, take risks, be adaptable and flexible, and have a long-term mindset. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.